Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Roblox basically currency. So as you can see at the moment I'm living in Turkey. This is an old account I had from when I was a child. So if we go to our Roblox right here, as you can see we have one Robux right here as our balance, and if we press on buy Robux you can see that Roblox allows you to purchase upgrades for your avatar or buy special abilities and experiences. So as you can see for me, it is in dollars for some reason. It shouldn't be, so it's quite weird. So if I now go to the settings icon and go to settings, then as you can see, if we go to, I believe security, if not, it will be in privacy. So no, it is in billing actually. As you can see, current balance, Roblox credit. For billing and payment questions, please see the billing pages, membership status, etc. So you can join. Let's press on join here, and a few other things we can do is there's parental control and app permission. First of all, make sure you're above 13, like suitable for age 13 older. So basically now, if we go back to billing, we can also press on this. So now we have two websites. We're gonna open up this one first. And as you can see, this is Roblox Premium. It'll give you Roblox every month, etc. As you can see, once again in dollars, let's press on get premium. Subscribe now. And here's my question. I'm in Turkey, so why is it in dollars? So if we go right here to the billing Roblox support, I don't think there is any other way rather than using a VPN. But here, if we write to change currency, nothing comes up. So generally, the only way to do this is to use a VPN. So if I were to do, let's say, Asia, and hold on, let's turn that on. Let's refresh. It should work. I don't think it would work with my VPN though, but if you do have a high-end VPN, it should work. So let's refresh that one more time. And as you can see, it's all in dollars. So generally, the only way to change the currency is if you use a VPN. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with normal VPNs such as the one Opera GX gives you. But if you do get like an in-application VPN that changes your Windows location, then it will change it. So for me, my Windows location is, I believe, in the US. That's why I'm in dollars. You basically want to change that. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.